welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do factors and multiples. We have learned in the previous class that when number say A divides another number by B completely, अगर कोई number A B को completely divide कर रहा है, that means we'll say that number A is the factor of B and the number B is the multiple of number A. Observe all the factors 12, 32 and 45. हमें factors दे रखे 12, 32 and 45 के. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. They are the factor of 12 since they all divide 12 completely. इसी तरीके से 32 के factors and 45 के factors दे रखे हैं. जो factor है वो given number को exactly divide करेंगे. Here we can observe that 1 is the factor of every number. 1 क्या है? सारे number का factor है. It is the smallest factor of a number. Every number is the factor in itself. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Every factor of a number divides its number completely. Clear? Next is properties of multiples. Multiples की properties देखेंगे. When we multiply a number by another number, अगर हम किसी number को किसी और number से multiply करें, we get the multiple. Observe the multipliers of 2, 3, 5. Means यहाँ पे 2 के multiples लिखे हुए 2 की टेबल जैसे 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like इस तरीके से. So these are the multiple of 2, these are the multiple of 3 and multiples of 5. Next is, here we observe that every number is the multiple of itself. हर कोई number अपना जो होता है multiple होता है. किसी भी number का smallest multiple क्या होगा? Number itself. It is also the smallest multiple. Every multiple of a number is divisible by the number. Every number is the multiple of 1 and there is no end to the multiple of a number. Next is divisibility rule. We have to check whether the given number is divisible by a certain number or not. For that we use divisibility rule. To learn more on different kind of numbers, let us learn about the divisibility rule. First is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. अगर किसी भी digit में ones की place पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 है, that means that number is divisible by 2. For example में हम देखते हैं नंबर कौन कौन से हैं 24, 200, 496, 588, 612. All these numbers are divisible by 2 because यहाँ पे क्या वंस की पोजीशन 4 है, यहाँ 0 या 6 या 8 या 2. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. Next is divisibility by 3 and 9. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. अगर डिजिट का जो सम है अगर वो 3 से डिविजिबल है दैट मीन्स वो नंबर भी 3 से डिविजिबल है. क्लियर? अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9 इफ द सम ऑफ डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. अगर सम ऑफ डिजिट डिविजिबल है 9 से दैट मीन्स दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. फॉर एग्जांपल 6 plus 2 plus 7 equals to 15. That is divisible by 3. 7 plus 0 plus 2 that is 9. That is also divisible by 2. Clear? Next is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its tens and ones digit is divisible by 4. अगर number की ones और tens की digit है वो 4 से divisible है, that means that number is divisible by 4. For example 7632. So digit at ones and tens place that is 32. That is divisible by 4. That means the given number is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 and 5 at ones place. अगर ones की place पे 5 और 0 है that means that number is divisible by 5. For example 75 is divisible by 5, 240 is divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by both 2 and 3. अगर कोई भी number 2 और 3 दोनों से divisible है that means it is divisible by 6 also. Like 88,206. So this number is divisible by 2. और अगर हम digit का sum करें so we'll find out that number is also divisible by 3. That means it is divisible by 6. Next is divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit is divisible by 8. अगर लास्ट की 3 डिजिट मीन्स 1s, 10s एंड 100 की प्लेस की जो डिजिट है अगर वो 8 से डिविजिबल है दैट मीन्स दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 8. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 16,136. So last 3 digit 136. That is divisible by 8. That means yes, the number is divisible by 8. Next is divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones place has the digit 0. अगर ones की place की जो digit है वो 0 है that means that number is divisible by 10. For example 50 is divisible by 10 because ones की place पे क्या है 0. 180 में ones की place पे 0 है that means that number is divisible by 10. Next is exercise 4.1. Fill in the blanks with the next 5 multiples of the given number. So next 5 multiples लिखने हैं हमें given number के like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Clear? Next is prime and composite numbers. We have learned to find the factors of the number in the previous class. Let us learn to classify the number on the basis of the number factors they have. So first is prime numbers. Prime numbers, let us observe the factors of some numbers. Observe all the factors of 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So here the factors of given number 2, 3, 5, 7 और 11 के factors दे रखे हैं 2 के 1 and 2, 3 के 1 and 3, 5 के 1 और 5 and 7 के 1 and 7 and 11 के 1 and 11. So what we have observed here? We have observed that each number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So a number having only two factors, ऐसा number जिसके only two factors on 1 and the number itself, that is called prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. Observe all the factors of 4, 12, 24 and 50. So 4 के क्या हो जाएंगे 1, 2 and 4, 12 के 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So यहाँ पे all the numbers जो हमें given है उनके factors दे रखे हैं. So what we have observed that each number has the factor other than 1 and itself. यहाँ पे क्या है number के factor 1 and number itself के अलावा और भी factors हैं. So in other words we can say each of the numbers has more than two factors. So a number having the factor other than 1 and itself is called the composite number. Next is prime and composite number between 1 and 100. The Arrowsmith sieve help us to find the prime and composite number between 1 and 100. So step 1 क्या है इसमें? Write all the numbers from 1 to 100 in 10 by 10 grid. So इस तरीके से हम 10 by 10 का grid बना लेंगे, उसमें numbers लिखेंगे 1 to 100. Step 2. Leave the number 1 which is neither prime nor composite. सबसे पहले हम number 1 को छोड़ देंगे because 1 ना तो prime है ना ही composite है. Step 3. Encircle the number 2. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे number 2 को encircle करेंगे and 2 के जितने भी multiples हैं उसके बाद उनको cross out कर देंगे. Strike out all the multiples of 2. Step 5. Encircle the number 3. Then 3 को encircle करेंगे and 3 के जितने भी multiple है उसको cross out कर देंगे. Then encircle the number 5. फिर हम क्या करेंगे 5 को encircle करेंगे and strike out all the multiples of 5 और उसके जितने भी multiples उसको cross out कर देंगे. Repeat the step till all the numbers up to 100 are either encircle or strike out. तब तक करेंगे जब तक कि 100 तक के नंबर या तो सर्कल हो जाए या स्ट्राइक आउट हो जाए. Clear? Step 8. Encircle numbers are the prime numbers, strike out numbers are the composite number. So जितने भी नंबर सर्कल में होंगे वो क्या होंगे वो होंगे प्राइम नंबर्स और बाकी की होंगे composite numbers. So we observe that the prime number between 1 to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 82, 89 and 97. So all other number except 1 are composite number. The number 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. 1 का क्या है only one factor है, that is 1 itself. So we can say 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. So we can say 2 क्या है 2 is a prime number but 2 is also even. So 2 is the only even prime numbers. Clear? Next is prime factorization. When we express a number as the product of its factors, we say that we can factorize the numbers. For example, 48, so we'll write 3 into 16. So 3 and 16 both are the factors of 48. So factor के product के उसमें हमने इसको express किया. It is one of the factorization of 48. There are many other forms of factorization of 48, such as 2 into 24 लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 2 into 12 लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 या 2 4 टाइम into 3. So अलग अलग तरीके से हम इसके फैक्टराइजेशन को लिख सकते हैं. इन द लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन, अगर हम लास्ट स्टेप में फैक्टराइजेशन में यहाँ पे देखें, दिस स्टेप ईच फैक्टर इज अ प्राइम नंबर. जितने भी फैक्टर्स हैं वो क्या है, प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. सच ए फैक्टराइजेशन इज कॉल्ड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इस तरीके का फैक्टराइजेशन क्या कहलाता है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इन अदर वर्ड, व्हेन अ नंबर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर वी कॉल इट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. अगर किसी नंबर को हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के उसमें एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, दैट मीन्स वो क्या हो गया, उसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग टू नोट दैट 48 इज एग्जैक्टली one prime factorization except for the order of factor. In general, every number greater than 1 has exactly one prime factorization. Clear? Prime factorization of 36, 24 and 50 are given here. यहाँ पे हमें 36, 24 and 50 का prime factorization given है. 36 का 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So all these are prime factorization of given number. Tips. Out of all the factors of the number, the prime ones are called the prime factors. In order to make the prime factorization of a given number, say 120, following procedures to be followed. Prime factorization find करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We divide the given number by the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. In this order, repeatedly, so long as the quotient is divisible by the number. Therefore, the prime factorization of 120 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So, हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, सबसे पहले 120 जो स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर जिसे डिविजिबल है दैट इज 2. 2 से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आ गया 60. नाउ अगेन 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 30 आ गया. 30 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 15. 15 कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 2 से नहीं कर सकते, नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर पे जाएंगे दैट इज 3. So 5 टाइम हो जाएगा. Now 5 is a prime number, so it will be divisible by only 5. So 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे, तब तक डिवाइड करेंगे जब तक कि 1 नहीं आ जाए. So प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Clear? So इस तरीके से हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. Next is exercise 4.2. Which of the following are prime numbers? 27. So as we know 27 के अगर हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करें, so 1, 3, 9 and 27. So it have more than 2 factors. That means it is a composite number. It's not a prime number. So इस तरीके से आप देखेंगे प्राइम नंबर like 13 is a prime number, 7 प्राइम नंबर हो जाएगा, 47 is a prime number. Like this you can find out कौन कौन से प्राइम नंबर हैं और कौन से कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कॉमन फैक्टर्स एंड कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. फर्स्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. लेट अस कंसीडर टू नंबर्स 16 and 24. सो विल राइट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16 and 24. अब हम देखेंगे कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं विच आर कॉमन इन बोथ. सो वी कैन सी 1, 2, 4, 8 आर कॉमन फैक्टर्स. So here 1, 2, 4 and 8 appear in both the list of factors. So common factor of 16 and 24 क्या हो जाएंगे, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now consider the factor 15 and 16. 15 और 16 के करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे 1 is the only common factor. ठीक है. So number 1 appear both the list of the factors. So common factor 15 and 16 is 1. So what do we conclude from the above discussion? हमने क्या पता चला इस discussion से? So we have concluded that 1 is the common factor of each pair of number mentioned above. A pair of number which do not have a common factor other than 1 is called co-prime numbers. ऐसे नंबर जिसमें 1 के अलावा और कोई भी फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं होगा that is called co-prime numbers. For example 3 and 5, 9 and 16 etc. are the co-prime number. For example find the common factors of 18, 27 and 63. So solution, first we'll find out factors of 18. So these are the factors of 18. Next हम करेंगे 27 and 63 के factors. Now we'll see what are the common factors. दैट इज 18, 27 एंड 63. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 63 हो जाएंगे, ये दे रखे हमें. नाउ दस द कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 18, 27, 63. कौन कौन से कॉमन फैक्टर्स है? 1 है, 3 है एंड 9 है. दीज आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स. नेक्स्ट इज कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. Let us consider the multiples of 6 and 8. Here the multiple of 6 are given and these are the multiple of 8. Now the number 24, 48 appears in both the lists. इस तरीके से और भी कही है because multiple endless होते हैं. So here 24 and 48 and so on appear to be both the list of multiples. Common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and so on. Note that the product of 6 and 8 is one of the common multiple. Clear? Next is, we will take an example. Find the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. So here we have written the multiples of 10, multiples of 15 and 20. Now we will see what are the common multiples. So the number 60, 120 appears in all three lists of multiples. That means ये क्या हो जाएंगे हमारे common multiple. So the common multiple of 10, 15 and 20 are 60, 120 and so on. Next is exercise 4.3. Find all the common factors of 19 and 12. So as we know, 19 is a prime number. So it have only two factors, 1 and 19. Factors of 12, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So now we have to find the common factor. We can see the only common factors are 1. Clear? Next is highest common factor, HCF. HCF means highest common factor. We know that the common factor of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Among these common factor 4 is the greatest or highest. इन सब में क्या है, सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 4. So we call 4 as the highest common factor, HCF of 8 and 12. Similarly, the highest common factor of 24, 36 is 12 because it is the greatest among all common factors. सबसे बड़ा जो होगा यहाँ पे क्या है? 12. So that means ये क्या हो जाएगा उसका HCF of two numbers. The highest common factor of two or more given number is the greatest among all their common factors. जो common factor में जो भी greatest होगा वो क्या होगा? HCF. The HCF was also called greatest common divisor, GCD. Next is finding HCF by prime factorization. We will take an example. Find the HCF of 84 and 168. So what we'll do? We'll find all the prime factors of 84 and 168. Prime factorization करेंगे. Now we have 84 की हो जाएंगे and this is 168. Now common factors कौन से हैं? 2, 2, 3 and 7. Clear? So HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So that is 84. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is exercise 4.4. Find the HCF of following number using prime factorization, 35 and 75. So first we'll do the prime factorization. 35 का prime factorization करेंगे. 5, 1. 75 3 से डिवाइड है करेंगे. 3 2 सा 6 and 1 15. Now we have to find the HCF. So first prime factorization लिखते हैं. 5 into 7. 75 का हो जाएगा 3 into 5 into 5. Clear? Common factors, common कौन से हैं? That is 5. So HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 35 and 75 का, that is 5. Clear? Next is lowest common multiple or LCM. Let us consider the numbers 6 and 8. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 इस तरीके से, एंड मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8, 8, 16, 24, 32 लाइक दिस. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स कौन से हो जाएंगे 6 and 8 के? 24, 48, 72. अमंग दीज कॉमन मल्टीपल 24 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लोएस्ट. 24 क्या सबसे छोटा है, सो वी कॉल 24 इज द लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल LCM of 6 and 8. Next is more examples given here. आपको सारे एग्जाम्पल प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. इट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट बेटर. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 4.5. फाइंड द LCM of each of the following using prime factorization 42 and 50. So 42 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे 7, 1. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 50. 50 का हम करेंगे 25, 5, 5, 1. सो 42 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 7, एंड 50 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 5. सो नाउ व्हाट विल डू, कॉमन फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे, दैट इज 2, एंड बाकी के जितने भी फैक्टर्स हैं वो लिखेंगे 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 7. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1050. सो LCM क्या हो जाएगा, LCM ऑफ गिवन नंबर इज 1050. 42 और 50 का LCM हो जाएगा 1050. नेक्स्ट इज रिलेशनशिप ऑफ LCM एंड HCF. Product of LCM and HCF of two given number is equal to the product of those numbers. So product of two given number, that is equals to product of their HCF and LCM. The above described property is an important one. Let us observe the few examples based on this property. So we'll take an example here. HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3 and 90 respectively. If one of the number is 15, find the other number. So LCM and HCF हमें given है and one number is given. So as we know by relationship HCF multiply by LCM, that is equals to number 1 into number 2. So हम क्या करेंगे, फाइंड आउट करेंगे प्रोडक्ट HCF एंड LCM का, उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे गिवन नंबर से. So 3 into 90 divided by 15, that is equals to 18. So other number is 18. Next is application of LCM and HCF. Let us learn to solve some real life problem. We'll take an example here. Find the minimum length of the rope from which we can cut 12, 15 or 20 pieces of equal length. So minimum length find out करनी है, that means LCM find out करना है. So we are actually being asked to ascertain the least number that is divisible by each of the given number 12, 15 and 20. Such number can only be their LCM. Let us find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So LCM find out करेंगे, so that is equals to 60. So least length कितनी हो जाएगी 60 meter. Next is exercise 4.6. Find the HCF of the following number and using HCF find the LCM. So number given है 16 and 20. HCF क्या हो जाएगा 16 and 20 का, that is 4. Now as we know HCF multiply by LCM, that is equals to number 1 multiply by number 2. So हम क्या करेंगे, नंबर के प्रोडक्ट को डिवाइड कर देंगे HCF से, that is 4. So that is equals to 80. So LCM क्या हो जाएगा, LCM is 80. Clear? Next is highlights. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, one and the number itself. They cannot be fully divided by any other number. Composite numbers are those numbers which have 3 or more factors. They are multiples of 3 or 4 numbers. The number 1 is a unique as it does not qualify for either the prime nor a composite number. It has only one factor, which is number itself, यानी कि 1. The largest number among the common factor is called the highest common factor or HCF. The smallest number among the common multiples is called the lowest common multiple or LCM. We can find the HCF and LCM by 3 methods. by finding the common factors, by prime factorization method and by long division method. For any two given numbers, HCF multiplied by LCM, that is equals to product of number. Next is chapter test, multiple choice questions. Take the right answer. Prime factorization of 1260 is 1260. So 2 से करेंगे, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 0. Again 2 से divide करेंगे, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2. Now 3 से divide करेंगे, 1. Again 3 से divide करेंगे, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now divide by 5. So prime factorization क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So A is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको chapter अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.